This recipe is mostly done by feel, so I challenge you to not use any measuring cups or weights if attempting this recipe. In the bowl we have about a pound of meat, which is 75% beef and 25% pork. To that, add 1 part cayenne to 2 parts toasted cumin seeds to 3 parts turmeric, a small knob of grated ginger, a few cloves of garlic, and mix to incorporate. Then, making a well with the meat, season it, and add 1 whole egg in the center of the well. Mix the egg into the meat until it is fully incorporated, and add breadcrumbs at the end if necessary to form a cohesive ball. Then, taking about golf ball sized clumps of meat, shape the meat into slider sized kebabs and place them on a tray with some tin foil. Now if you plan to fry these right off, then you want to put them into the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes to let them firm up. But if you're like me and you're doing them way ahead of time, I put mine in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours before cooking. Whether you're using the freezer or the fridge, you want to make sure to take them out 5 minutes before you fry them. Here's a quick salad to serve with the kebabs. You'll need a fennel bulb, 3 cucumbers, a red pepper, some salt and pepper, some lime, and some olive oil. Peel and de-seed the cucumber, slice it very thin. Julienne the red pepper. Peel the outer layer off the fennel bulb and slice it very thin as well. For a simple vinaigrette, mix together equal parts lime juice and olive oil with a pinch of sugar, season with salt and pepper to taste. For the dipping sauce, mix yogurt, chopped cilantro, salt and pepper, and you're done. Preheat your pan over medium heat, drizzle with some frying oil, and start placing in your kebabs. So ideally, when cooking the kebabs, you want to start by putting the first kebab at 12 o'clock and making your way around the pan clockwise. This will help you remember which one to turn first, as well as help them cook evenly. After about 2 minutes, and once one side is sufficiently browned, flip and baste. After about 4 total minutes, take the kebabs out and let them rest. Dress your salad before plating. So when you come to plate this, I like to start from the center out. I put a big mound of the salad in the middle. I proceed to put 4 dabs of the dipping sauce around the plate. 1 at 12 o'clock, 1 at 3 o'clock, 1 at 6 o'clock, and 1 at 9 o'clock. Then place 1 kebab on each mound of dipping sauce. Optionally top that with something spicy, as well as 1 cilantro leaf. Drizzle the top of the salad with some olive oil and serve.